Hi everyone. Today I am excited to walk you through an amazing AI-powered system called Agentflow. It's designed to extract valuable information from documents like PDFs using a team of intelligent agents. Let's dive in and see how it works. Imagine you have a PDF full of important data, but you need specific insights first. Agentflow makes this easy by combining cutting-edge AI tools to process and understand that document. Here's the breakdown. It starts by loading a PDF, splitting it into chunks, and turning those chunks into embedding using OpenAI. So first of all, I upload a PDF here. Let's explore my PDF. My PDF is about role of link in tweets by NPM maintainers. Let's ask a question. For asking any question, we need to click here. Since our PDF is related to NPM community, so I ask about NPM. This is our desired answer, and now build the agent from scratch. First of all, since we retrieve information from PDF, we need a PDF file node. Here on plus icon, we can add any nodes. So we search named as PDF file. So this is PDF file node. Just drag and drop here this node. On red star mark, these are mandatory field. So upload a file here. For recursively split the character, we need another node named recursive character text splitter. Here is the node. Drag and drop the node here. By default, chunk size is 1000, but we can increase or decrease the size. Chunk overlap 200. We also can change the value. This is text splitter point. From here, we connect the recursive character text splitter. We need two agents here. One is supervisor agent and another is worker agent. So we search here supervisor and also drag this. Again, we need worker agent. For worker agent, one supervisor in mandatory. That's why we need supervisor. So we connect this and this. For supervisor, there need a mandatory chat model. Then connect my chat model with supervisor. It's mandatory to choose a credential for chat OpenAI model. Here I choose OpenAI API key. I take model name latest. Temperature means the randomness. Take 0.5. Here supervisor assign the worker models. Here for worker nodes, it's mandatory to assign a name for worker. I set the worker name as info finder and also need to update the worker prompt. Here the worker prompt will be what actually the worker do. One important thing is that if I mention the worker name here, it must be matched with what I given as worker name. So I set the worker name as info finder. Here also I mention info finder. As a info finder, your mission is extract information from web scraper tool. So after completing the prompt, we need to save it. Now we need retriever tool so that the worker can retrieve information from PDF. Again, I search retriever tool here. So I got the retriever tool and drop this here. Now I need to connect the retriever tool with worker. This is a tool option by which we can connect the retriever tool. Same as worker, retriever tool need to set a name. I set the retriever name as web scraper. And on description part, we need to set prompt for retriever tool. I write here a simple prompt like use this tool and retrieve the information from PDF. For retriever tool, we need a vector store from where retriever can retrieve any valuable information. So for vector store, here we use in-memory vector store. And then connect with retriever tool. For in-memory vector store, we need a OpenAI embeddings. So I search again here for OpenAI embeddings. And then connect it to in-memory vector store. And also mandatory to set a credential here. I set Open API key as a credential. And finally, we need to connect the document with in-memory vector store. So now everything is okay. We need to save the agent by clicking Save Agent. I save it as PDF scraper by clicking Save button. After saving the agent, we need to upsert vector database. For upsert vector database, we need to click here and press here. This is the summary of chunk where 94 chunks are added. Let's check if our agent works or not. So click here for asking any question. Here supervisor asked to info finder worker, and info finder worker fetch information from by using web scraper and then finally return the answer to supervisor. Here is our desired answer. Here's the code view button. Click it to see the code behind your workflow. It's perfect for developers who want to check or tweak things. Move to the embedded in website or use as API section. Now let's share your agent flow. You can add it to our website. This script tag is what you need. Just copy and paste it into your website. It's an easy way to share your AI workflow online. This is JavaScript file from where you can get your API here. That's how to embed Agentflow. It's a simple way to share your PDF tool. Check AI workflow documentation for more details. Thank you for watching.